how to create a Snapchat spotlight. Open Snapchat. Click on video icon. Click on plus icon at the top. Click on Create. You can also add text to Spotlight. You can put song at any place. Click on Next. Start recording. Click on Text. Add text. Click on Spotlight. Add description. You can also send it to your friends directly. Click Send. Spotlight is shared successfully. Go to your profile. You can see it is visible here. That is how you can create a Snapchat spotlight. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.